Here's what they don't tell you about exercise after 50. You don't need to destroy your knees at the gym to stay healthy. Today, I'm revealing the exact indoor walking routine that's helping thousands of people over 50 get their daily exercise without joint pain, bad weather excuses, or expensive equipment. We're talking about a complete 1-mile walk you can do right in your living room. And it's specifically designed to be gentle on aging joints while still giving you all the cardiovascular benefits you need. By the end of this video, you'll have a workout you can start immediately, even if you haven't exercised in years. The secret lies in something called interval marching. Instead of continuous impact on hard surfaces, you alternate between gentle marching in place for 30 seconds and what we call happy steps, wider, bouncing movements that engage your whole body without the jarring impact of running. Your living room becomes your personal walking track. This is a structured routine that mimics the benefits of outdoor walking while eliminating every single barrier. Here's what makes this different from just walking in circles. First, you're incorporating arm movements that increase your heart rate by 20% without adding stress to your joints. Think of it like conducting an orchestra while you walk. Your arms sweep up and down, side to side, creating resistance that builds upper body strength. Second, you're changing direction every 60 seconds. Forward marching, side steps, gentle backward walking. This engages different muscle groups and improves balance, which is crucial for preventing falls. Your brain stays engaged because you're not just mindlessly moving. You're following a pattern that challenges your coordination. Here's your exact 1-mile routine that takes just 15 to 20 minutes. Start with 2 minutes of gentle marching in place, lifting your knees only as high as comfortable. Add arm circles. This warms up your shoulders and gets your heart pumping. Next, alternate between 30 seconds of regular marching and 30 seconds of happy steps. Step out wider, add a gentle bounce, smile because yes, smiling actually makes exercise feel easier. After 5 rounds, switch to side steps for 2 minutes, reaching your arms overhead like you're picking apples. The magic happens in minutes 10 to 15. This is when you add what I call purpose walks. March in place while visualizing walking to your favorite destination. Maybe it's walking through your garden, along a beach, or through your old neighborhood. This mental component transforms exercise from a chore into a journey. This intelligent movement respects your body's needs while delivering real cardiovascular results. Cool down with slow, deliberate steps while doing gentle arm stretches. Touch your shoulders, reach behind your back, do gentle twists. You've just completed a mile without leaving your house, without special shoes, without joint pain. You've discovered that fitness after 50 isn't about punishing your body. It's about moving it with joy and intelligence. You now have a complete indoor walking routine that respects your body's needs while delivering real fitness results. No equipment, no excuses, no joint pain, just movement that makes you feel alive. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and your journey to better health starts with that first gentle step in your living room. Subscribe for more joint-friendly videos.